In this video, we will be showing you the best subwoofers for cars on Amazon today. So if you are looking for the best subwoofer for your car, we got you covered. And as usual, we have the links to all the subwoofers mentioned in this video in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 6. Pioneer TS SW2002 D2. First up is an 8-inch shallow mount subwoofer from Pioneer. It measures 10.5 inches and utilizes an oversized cone structure which provides greater cone and gasket surface at the same external dimension. This, in turn, allows it to possibly move more air and produce louder and deeper bass than a typical shallow submount. This shallow mount subwoofer has been formed using Pioneer's flexible MICA injection molded resin for accurate reproduction of quaking bass. It has a frequency range of 20 to 200 kilohertz and a sensitivity of 86 decibels, and all in all is a pretty powerful speaker, especially considering its top mount depth is just 2 5/8 inch. Averaging at around $60, this shallow mount subwoofer provides excellent value for money as well as the opportunity for you to get creative with your own home builds. Number 5. Kicker 12-inch 300W. Kicker is going above and beyond to proficiently produce some excellent speakers made with good quality components that provide an affordable option to the masses. This pair features their updated cooling solution, perimeter venting, and spiraled tinsel lead for extra longevity. They are sold as a promising pair for around the $100 mark and make a great addition or replacement subwoofer set. They are 12 inches with an OHMS impedance of 4 ohms and are sufficiently versatile for sealed enclosure subs or vented enclosures. They are manufactured with stiff injection molded cones that are braced with a 360-degree manner. They have a highly resistant steel basket and double stitched surrounds to withstand the most impacting bass lines. Each car audio subwoofer copes with 150 watt RMS power, 300 max for a total of 600 combined, and put out a pretty impressive volume. They're sensitive to 88.3 decibels. Number 4. MTX Audio 5512 44 5500. Another 12-inch bass speaker from MTX Audio here. This time, just the car audio subwoofer itself, ready for custom installation. It is a dual 4-ohm woofer and features MTX's spider plateau venting to keep the driver cool and ultimately noise-free at loud levels. The venting help keeps warm air away from the voice coil so it's free to boom. It harbors an inverted apex surround, which is narrower than their typical roll surround, allowing a greater surface area for the core and enabling it to displace far more air. Inside the motor structure is an integrated T-yoke heatsink. It absorbs heat from the voice coil and radiates it out from the back plate and makes for an efficient thermal management technique. It also has easy-to-connect compression terminals for simplified installation. Number 3. JBL CT Bass Pro 12. The JBL CT Bass Pro12 is already housed in its tailored companion enclosure, which has been optimized for efficiency and providing the clearest bass sounds. It is a reflex-style enclosure with a patented slipstream port for minimizing turbulence and preventing compromised audio quality. Its construction features 12-inch diameter polypropylene cone with a rubber surround that provides resonance damping and oversized dual-stack magnets for increased magnetic flux. The cone's motions are controlled by the patented GT bass progressive spider, enabling high excursion listening. Subwoofer coils are subject to heat accumulation when used at high volumes for long periods. JBL have tried to combat this with a vented pole piece, which improves the power handling at low power compression. It has a built-in amplifier running 150 watts RMS, 450 peak, and remote controls for adjusting the bass accordingly. Number 2. MTX TNE 212D. This listing is for a complete package which consists of an MTX-loaded car subwoofer sound system along with a capable mono amplifier and an installation kit with all the essentials for mounting in your motor. The manufacturing has made this an effortless installation and taken care of the math and logistics to find the idyllic enclosure for housing the Terminator subwoofers so they can move with far less power guzzling. They handle 200 watts RMS power, each totaling 400 RMS power at 800 watt peaks. They have polypropylene dust caps for added durability and are incredibly lightweight. They also incorporate a mechanical cooling processor, spider plateau venting, which refreshes the air intake around the coil to compensate for heat buildup. Number 1. Alpine S WR1 Type RZ. This top pick from Alpine is a bare subwoofer on the market that you will need to source or build an enclosure for. It measures 12 inches in diameter and, given the idyllic box, will seriously rattle your ride. Looking for bigger subs? Check out the 18-inch subwoofers. The cone is composed of a pulp which has been treated with Kevlar for extra stiffness and durability. The surround is formed with trademark Santoprene. It sits in a progressive cone spider cast aluminum frame mount. The dual 2-ohm voice coils are oversized, high temperature, and altogether a great quality. It has a great low frequency response of between 24 and 200 kilohertz, perfect for producing whopping great bass pulsations. Its power handling is from 300 to 1000 watts RMS power, 500 per coil. Its peak power is 3000 watts. It is sensitive to within 84.7 decibel. Its top mount depth is 6 3/8 inches, and the cutout diameter is 10 7/8 inches. Most customers have opted for reflex system design enclosures over solid sealed enclosure products to pair with this car audio subwoofer, but both report satisfaction. Thanks for watching.